Have you seen the beach before?
No!
What? This is salt water, right?
I tag whales for a living.
It is Saturday and I am at the Sunshine Coast and we are at some kind of market. I forget what the name it is. And I got two friends along with me. I got Kat and Taryn.
Hello!
And so follow us along and we're gonna go get some food. All right, so we've been at the markets for a little bit and it's been so great. I had my first meat pie and I'd say I'd probably give it about a 6 out of 10. It was all right. The ketchup packet was probably cooler than the meat pie itself, but that's all right. We'll try it again next time. I haven't really found anything yet that is tickling my fancy, but maybe we'll find something soon. So yeah, it's been great though. Alright, so what did you get?
I got orange butter and orange something crepe.
Yum, and?
I have the typical lemon squeezed crepe. Very good.
Okay, so wait, first bite.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Of course.
We have to rate on
Cheers.
1 out of 10.
Cheers. That's good.
That's so good.
Okay, so out of 10 and why?
Like a solid 8.5.
Okay. Because?
I just love orange. It tastes like marmalade, but it's just
Oh,
so good.
that's so good. I
Yeah.
give mine like a 7. I think if it was a
Okay.
bit more crispy, it would have been a 10, but otherwise flavor's good.
So good.
Yeah. Love.
The earrings, oh, they're so cute.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, do you want me to keep going?
No,
Keep
it's just-
walking.
We're walking.
Look at it.
I used to do these as a kid, and they are the hardest thing. And I remember spending a whole summer holidays trying to figure out how to do this dinosaur egg. And I finally did it, and no one was home to watch me do it.
No!
And no one believed me. They thought I'd watched a video.
Leave a comment if you've had bubble tea before.
Okay.
Cheers! Cheers!
Alright, and sips? How's your sip? You've already had a sip. How's
I
yours?
haven't sipped yet. I want it to be
So good.
authentic.
With passion fruit and lychee. It's delicious.
We have the typical milk tea. That's good. That's really good.
Yeah?
Now you try. Then you gotta stir it a little bit. It's kind of like really shake. Good.
I love it.
So good.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Thanks. Yeah.
So we had a successful time at the markets. I got a little anklet, so I'll have to show that later once I put it on. But now we're gonna head to the beach. We made it to the beach. Okay, shut up. It's so beautiful. So I can confirm that this is gorgeous and beautiful, and now it just makes me love Australia even more. Oh, like look at these waves. I gotta like run it. I'm in the Olympics. I won the gold!
Simone Biles is jealous right now.
Yeah! It's beautiful.
It's beautiful! Have you seen the beach before?
No!
What?
Yeah! Well, no, okay, wait, let me recap. In Australia, I haven't
This
seen
is the
the
first
beach.
time to beach in Australia.
Yeah.
Oh, welcome.
The
It's
waves are
beautiful.
huge.
This
I don't
is
know
the
if I can
sand.
swim out
Let me
there.
take you on a tour.
Okay.
This is the sand. This is the water.
The water.
This is the wildlife.
The water. The way you say it better.
This
The
is my
water.
beautiful friend.
This is the water.
And out there.
I got wet. This is salt water, right?
Yeah, this is salt water. It's the sea.
Cute. I think it's Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean, not Caribbean. Can you do your best example of the Jack Sparrow run?
Isn't that what it is? I've not
I
really.
feel like it's like this, but I've actually never done it
Oh
before.
wait,
in
you
my
have to
life.
drag your leg. I
But when
forgot.
he's like,
I think that's stuff. What isn't poisonous here? Let's be real.
I know, right?
Yeah. I feel like everything is poisonous.
So my
here.
dad is Australian, and when I've just moved to Australia. And
She's
when
not from Australia.
When I was moving here, I asked him his top tips on not getting killed by things in Australia. How do you know what's deadly and what's not? And he told me, quote,
Just
if you
pretend
think everything can kill you, you won't get killed. So, there's my top tips. Thank you. Hello, everybody. My name is Catherine, but people call me Cat, like meow, but with a K. And I'm a twin. I'm from the mighty land of the long white clouds, Aotearoa, New Zealand. I've never been to the Americas before, so I won't have met any of you. I'm pretty funny.
Good.
My occupation is very cool. I tag whales for a living. No, I don't do that. No, in all seriousness, I'm a tradie. I build roads and asphalt them pretty much. I don't asphalt them, but no one knows what bitumen is, so I'm just gonna say asphalt. I don't know what that is. Asphalt? No, because in all seriousness, whenever someone says asphalt, I think of like having my asphalt, and I can't do it. But that's not important. Ready? Take a long time.
So this is Cats, and that's my heart.
Hola, mi nombre es Taryn. I feel like it's more formal if they can see my eyes. From New Zealand, born and raised, and I like bagels. I'm currently unemployed, looking for work. If anybody is needing an employee, hit me up.
I am 27 plus 2 minus 7 minus 1. I think that's how old I am.
More.
We need a Christian husband. Calling audition. Hello, my name is Kat, and I am 21, and I am looking for a husband. Requirements are: is a man, is Christian. Take that one down. Scratch that. Loves God. Is currently single. Age brackets under 30. No, age. I don't think age bothers me too much, to be perfectly honest.
Would you be mad if they wanted you to move to their homeland?
As long as you're not from Ohio, then yes. No, I'm not opposed to moving as long as you're not opposed to moving.
What's your 3 character traits that you want in a husband?
Funnier than me, which is pretty hard. Loves family and loves people, hardworking and enthusiastic. Thank you.
All right, let's go get our stuff.
So we are this is so funny. Welcome to the Outback. This is where the real stuff happens. There are 2 dogs. Additionally, we got a tire swing. I feel like that's very farmy. There's cows over there or goats. Let's go check it out. Also, guys, look at my new anklet. Isn't she beautiful?
It slides.
This is a nice little fire pit area. Like just a little,
Got some outback bush there
a little bathtub.
with some nice and juicy.
Yeah, those are definitely cows. Oh, look, a snake! Gotcha. Ah! Some big pigs.
Holy mackerel!
Hi. Oh, hello. Hi, guys. I was actually looking at the cute lambs over there. But you're cute too. They're pretty big. They're pretty big. Look at those ears. They're as big as my hand.
I really like oranges.
You see the ones from yesterday.
You can ride one of these.
Oh, we could. But they
You
could.
could ride one of these.
Boo! They're massive. Yeah. Hey, look, there's an alpaca.
Tiny pie. This is a boy girl. This one.
As you can tell, the boy does. If you look at the
It's like on a safari. We're going on a western safari. My